coaches. The final part of our tournament starts at 4 o'clock. On event number 1, I want to invite boys in the weight category of 55 kilograms. So Lee Chong-Moon from New Taipei and Goldman Lear from Israel. Welcome on the first plate. Lee Chong-Moon from New Taipei, Goldman Lear from Israel. Are you ready?
Chen Chen-Xin from Taipei is the winner of match number 3. We invite Adam Major from Hungary, the next match, Hungary player.